Walking Robot Kinematics. It looks complex, but it can be done easy. Let's try. Turn on the robot, see how it works, and try figure out. So, movements looks like very complex, but what happens if we make it slower 10 times? So now we see that robot is not moving constantly, it's just every leg has a few positions and it switches from one position to another. We can explain it on a paper. Let's take a paper, pencil. So we have ground, we have our leg. Let's take front one. This is a point where servo is. Then we have upper part of the leg, which is moves. And we have points where it touches the ground. We can take points, a few points on the ground. And then for every point we can draw some leg position like this. So this is our leg, stands on the ground. We have angles alpha, beta. So on every point on the time, a leg points to some position on the ground and it moves from one to another. This is like in a movie. When we watch a movie, we actually see 24 still pictures in a second. Same with a robot. For every moment of time, we tell servo to get to some angle, alpha and beta, and servo motors will do the job to get to the position. Often, like every 30 milliseconds, we tell motors to change to new position. So going from point to point, it actually makes feeling of the constant linear movement. So then when it goes on a straight line, leg moves slowly to the back and then it should return back to the first position. So we have transition point where we lifting leg up and also moving forward a bit. So it goes here to here. Then we move the leg to the front position as fast as possible. We can put 3 points here. It goes here, there, again transition point down, and we start again. So we have circular motions. This circular motion, for example, has 16 solid positions. We can use them in a software as an array, and every 30 seconds set new alpha and beta. We can calculate them using geometry, but another way it's just for every point on the ground we draw the lines and we just measure the angle, and then we put it in a list, and that way walking robot kinematics can be done easy. Bye now.